If you've ever spent hours trying to get the perfect AI image, tweaking your prompt, changing models, adjusting settings, only to end up with something almost right, then Leonardo AI just dropped something that's going to change the game completely. They call it Blueprints, and it's one of the smartest updates I've seen in the world of AI creativity. Imagine having ready-to-use workflows designed by experts where you just drop in an image or a short description and instantly get stunning results. Professional, consistent, and completely customizable. That's what Blueprints do. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what they are, why they're revolutionary, and how you can start using them to level up your creative projects. Writing detailed prompts, figuring out which model to use, adjusting lighting, perspective, resolution, it's a lot. And sometimes, even after all that effort, the results are still random. That's the frustration Leonardo's Blueprints are built to solve. They take all that behind-the-scenes tuning and wrap it up into something simple, elegant, and ready to use. Think of them as pre-built creative workflows, or to put it another way, AI templates that come with all the right settings baked in. Each blueprint combines the right model, style, and instructions for a specific kind of project. Want to design a product mockup? There's a blueprint for that. Need to visualize interior design concepts? There's one for that too. Even branding, concept art, or portrait styles, it's all there. The idea is that instead of starting from a blank canvas, you pick the right blueprint, add your input, and let Leonardo handle the rest. It's like having a professional art director built into the app. Now, here's why blueprints are such a big deal. First, they save time, a lot of it. Instead of testing dozens of settings, you just choose the workflow and hit generate. Second, they create consistency. If you're designing a whole batch of visuals, like product shots or social posts, blueprints help maintain a uniform style so everything feels cohesive. And third, they make high-end creativity accessible. You don't need to be a designer or a prompt expert. Blueprints handle the technical side so you can focus purely on your ideas. And for creators, one of my favorites is Product in Scene. You can take a simple product photo and the AI automatically places it in a realistic, on-brand environment, perfect for social ads, e-commerce visuals, or portfolio shots. Each blueprint gives you pro-level results without needing to tinker with complex prompts or manual editing. It's honestly wild how polished some of these outputs are straight out of the box. But here's what I love most. Blueprints aren't limiting. You can still tweak everything. You can adjust the lighting, change the seed for variation, upscale the image, or modify the prompt for more control. So, while they give you a strong foundation, you can still put your own creative spin on the final result. It's like having both automation and artistic freedom in one tool. People are already finding clever ways to use blueprints professionally. Content creators are using them for YouTube thumbnails, social media art, and video backgrounds. Small businesses are generating branded visuals for products and ads without hiring a designer. What's really cool is how the blueprint handles lighting and tone automatically. You don't have to know anything about photography or filters. It just gives your picture that dreamy, magazine-style glow. It's perfect for people who want to make profile photos, album covers, or storytelling visuals that feel personal and emotional. Also, some of the more advanced or specialized blueprints are only available under Leonardo's paid tiers, which might be a consideration if you're on the free plan. But honestly, the amount of value even the basic blueprints give you is huge. My advice is to treat them as launchpads, something that jumpstarts your creativity and then refine or remix the results to make them uniquely yours. Another interesting thing about Leonardo's approach is how community-driven it's becoming. Users can share their own custom blueprints, so over time, you'll have access to workflows created by other artists, designers, and innovators. It's like an open marketplace of creative brains all building new ways to use AI. That's where this really gets powerful. It's not just Leonardo's team building tools for you. It's the entire creative community collaborating to make AI workflows smarter and more diverse. This one is called Zoom Out Video. This blueprint is designed for motion. It takes a still image and creates a smooth cinematic zoom out effect as if a camera is pulling back to reveal more of the scene. Imagine you start with a close-up, like a person's face, and then the frame slowly zooms out to show the full setting or environment. It's the kind of effect you see in movie intros, product reveals, or dynamic social media videos. Combine that with blueprints, and soon we'll have entire creative pipelines automated from concept to execution. A blueprint might generate a full brand identity kit, another might build a 3D scene, and another could create marketing videos, all coordinated through a single workflow. So, if you've been sitting on ideas because you don't have time to design, or because learning every AI setting feels overwhelming, blueprints are your new secret weapon. They take that complexity out of the equation and let you focus on what matters, bringing your ideas to life. 2. It's fast, it's efficient, and honestly, it's just fun to experiment with. In short, Leonardo AI Blueprints are like cheat codes for creativity. They don't replace your imagination, they amplify it. Whether you're a solo creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI visuals, this feature is going to make your workflow smoother, faster, and more consistent than ever. If you want to try it out, head over to Leonardo AI, explore the blueprint gallery, and play around with a few. Start with the free ones, test different inputs, and see how they fit into your creative process. And when you find one that blows your mind, share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex for more creative tech insights, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll be diving into more AI tools, creative hacks, and the future of digital design in upcoming episodes. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.